Hello, so this is Schoology101. So the first thing that I'm going to navigate with you is how to send messages. So instead of messaging Seesaw, if your parents are really used to using Schoology, then they can get their messages through Schoology. So the thing that you need to do is if you are in one of your courses, so for example, I'm in Miss Carla's section, so I'll just have to click update, write your message to your students in grade 2, say, hello second graders, um, please don't forget to grab a book to read on your during library time. Have a good day. So, and then you can post that. But if you have any links that you want to add, for example, like a video, you could just add the link here, right? If not, you could also attach the file if you're taking the story, if you recorded something straight from your file, and then post. Automatically, parents will receive Schoology notices. Okay, so that's one thing that you could do with updates.